Hello, Namaste. My name is Netra Kher. I'm a counseling psychologist by profession and a Ayurvedic practitioner. Today I welcome you all in another episode of Netra Talks. Yes, I'm starting new series named Activity Series, and today is first part of it, and I'm definitely very excited to do so. So this activity is going to be with water. Yeah. So this is the glass I'm going to take, and I'm going to add some water in it. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Don't worry. This is not the old activity of see half glass is full and half glass is empty. So look at the half glass which is full and be happy about it. Today we are going to do a real perspective building because it is very important in our life. So imagine for time being, this is you, this is me, this is you, and you come across various problems in life, as everyone comes across various problems in their lives. So there are few stones which I have selected, and one after the another I am going to add problems in our life. These are problems which are regular. For example, I am adding one stone. This first stone I am adding is of problems related to personality traits. Personality traits like some people get worried very easily, some people get anxious very easily, some people have problems related to their temper. There are various personality issues which a person has. So these are problems which get created in their life. Another perspective we need to take is of health perspective. In that health perspective, people have problems related to backache, heart problems, lung issues, back pain, various things. So these are the physical complaints. There is one another aspect to it is we have handicaps. Yeah, so there are people who are physically handicapped. There are no arms or legs, or since birth there are no eyes since birth, or later on due to few issues they lose it. So there are personality traits issues, and there are problems related to physical health, diabetes, blood pressure. This all come in this. Now problems don't stop here, definitely. So there are few problems related to mental health. Yeah. So mental health problems I'm putting in. Mental health can be a problems related to depression, anxiety, bipolar disorder. There can be suicidal attempts. There can be obsessive compulsive disorder. There can be Alzheimer's issues. So there are various things possible. Lastly, there are few problems which a person faces, but they are financial in nature. So this is the stone of finances which I am adding. Yeah. So there are financial problems in life. There can be uncertainty which a person faces in their life. How he can deal with it, financial instability, and more towards it. There are few problems which are more than that, bigger than that, which happen all of a sudden. We are not aware about them, and they happen to us. Yeah. So those problems can be like a big accident. The big accident can be like this, which will add directly to problems and it will blow up. That one accident or one big problem in life can have a dent in your life, and it will be very difficult for you to solve these issues. But I would still say, what keeps us going? Our skills keeps us going, because our skills are very important to deal with these issues, and we need to have them. So here I decided that we will add one element of skills to deal with the problems in life. So here I have added few skills. Yes, you can see the changed in water of the color. Yes, but still this is not full, this is little empty. Yeah, same perspective is coming over here, that this glass is still half empty, and this is, but you will again tell me, see, this is full, at least half full or more than half is full. But I would still like to give you one another perspective. Why are you looking from side? Look from up. Look within. When you look within, you can see only skills. You can see only potential which is there within. You can only see the colored water and not the stones. There is a small layer which I can see, but it is getting colored, overpowered with your skill set. So all the very best into you. Try to see and look at your skills, build your skills, and try to look within. They are within. Few you need to take from outside and make part of your own personality. Yes, that's it. This activity. Like, share, and subscribe my channel for learning about activity learning. Henceforth, sharing is a good deed. So happy sharing.